Hey guys, Greg here in the Garage Series. Today we've got Garrett, the marketing director of Bestop here to show us some really cool new products. So it looks like we have some doors here to tell us about.
All right, great. Thanks for having me, Greg. These are the brand new Bestop core doors. And what really makes this a special product from Bestop is we took the fun and the functionality that you'll find in a lot of other doors that are available, and we combined it with the extreme durability that you find with your factory doors. It is a cast aluminum precision molded piece that will fit your Wrangler JK, so 2007 to 18.
Oh, wow, and I also noticed it has a panel. Is the panel removable from the core door?
Yeah, so that's really the secret sauce of this top, is this removable core. So especially summertime, or if you're on the trail, maybe you want better visibility down to rocks that you're crawling over, right? This core will remove. It has 8 toggle pins. You don't need any tools. You can simply pivot them with your fingers, and then the core pulls right out of there.
Wow, it sounds simple and straightforward. So I'm guessing they are paintable, that you could paint to match the vehicle or paint for your accent colors that you're setting your Jeep off with?
Yep, exactly. I'm glad you asked. We've already been seeding these out there. We always do that with all of our product launches. We want to get feedback and make sure that the product is ready for prime time. And a lot of people are already having a blast painting this because everybody wants to make their Jeep their very own, right?
That's right, it's a Jeep
people
thing.
are doing exactly that.
So, okay, something else I noticed, the upper door, is that removable? The window, how does it open?
Yep, so a ton of options there, super easy to remove. It's simply a matter of opening the door and lifting it out of 2 stabilizing pins. Or if you don't want to do that, you can also simply unzip it. Now, I'm also glad that you brought this up. This is our premium black tulle fabric on this upper, highly premium, and it's actually the same fabric that you will find on high-end sports car convertibles.
Well, the mirror, I noticed the mirror on it. Is that something that comes with the door? Is that something you can get from Bestop, or is that off the original set of doors?
Completely up to you how you want to roll with that. It's you can purchase a mirror separately so that you have a mirror just for your door, or it will also take the OE mirrors.
Okay. One more question. So, see the doors, you've got a 4-door set here with uppers on it. If I want just the lower 4 doors, can I purchase those?
Yeah, it's somewhat of a mix and match approach. So you can get the lowers just for the front, you can get the lowers just for the rear, or you can get for the front, the lowers and the uppers, rears, lowers, uppers, or you can get the full set, all 4 lowers and uppers.
Okay, good deal. Last question,
Warranty. So consistent with all of the other doors that Bestop sells, it's a 1-year warranty.
So next, let's take a look at the installation of the core doors. Looks like it's pretty simple and straightforward.
Yeah, incredibly easy installation. We were talking earlier on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being easy, 10 being super hard. We were giving this a 2. So it should take you less than an hour. And really what determines how much time it's going to take you is whether or not you need to install mirrors.
Okay, is there anything special you need for the mirrors?
So with the mirrors, and remember, states have varying laws, so in some states you may not need mirrors. Okay, so you'll need to figure that out. But with the mirrors, and it does take your OE mirrors, or you can purchase mirrors separately. When you install the mirror, there is an internal piece that's called a mirror cup that you'll need to purchase separately, and that's through Bestop customer service.
But you will need that cup to be able to put the mirrors on.
Yes.
Okay. All right. The actual door, as far as any other thing that you need to do to it other than basically get it out of the box and slide it into the hinges to be able to utilize it.
Right. I mean, it really is that easy. It's removal of the factory door, which takes you a couple minutes, and then it's lifting this door out of the box, dropping it into the hinge pins, and then as far as the uppers go, you need to drop in stabilizing pin receivers into the lower, and then you drop this upper into the lower with the stabilizing pins in place, and you're good to go.
Yeah, very simple and straightforward install. So there you have it. Garrett, thank you for coming out, spending the day with us, showing us these cool new core doors. Folks, if you want to know more about them, check the description below. There'll be the part number for both the front set, the rear set, and the upper doors. Also right below that is our Total Truck Center store locator. Click on that, find the nearest Total Truck Center store to you. They'll be able to get you fixed up with the products, or they'll even install it if that's what you'd like for them to do. This has been Greg in the garage, Total Truck Centers.